Hello guys, so today I'm going to tell you like how to change the battery or replace the battery of Gs70 Stealth Pro. You can see I have two of them. One is already open and one has screws on the bottom already. Okay, so you can see both of them. Okay, so actually this model has battery issue, too much battery issue, so need to change the battery every now and then, like maybe 6 months or 7 months you will need to change the battery. So I thought maybe someone will be looking like tutorial how to change the battery of this GS70 MSI laptop. So let's get started. Okay, first of all we need to open the screws. You can see a lot of them, like this one. This one already screwed, all the screws are there, but this one has already removed the screws here. One here, two, one under this warranty sticker. So first just remove this sticker, okay, then you will see the screw under it. One screw here, sorry, here, here. You need to open all of them. Here, and here, and as well as this one. And there are in the mid two screws you will need to open. Okay, so I already put some screws so that you can see. I will remove the screws. They are actually hinges screws. We need to remove to get to the battery under it. Battery is literally very expensive for this laptop. One by one just open all of them. Okay, now this one. And this one. Some screws are little longer than the other ones, and the longer ones are usually for the hinges because they like hold the heavy area of the laptop and the top cover as well, so they need to be very long to give strong hold. Okay, one by one. There is one screw under is warranty sticker, you can see, so you need to remove this. Okay, so now all that screws are already gone. So let's open it. Opening it is literally very easy because there is no any clip around it on the back cover of it. Okay, just put your nail or any thin metal if you have strong enough to like pull this back cover. Just wiggle a little, then you can remove this back cover. Okay, after this the things are really easy because you don't need to do anything, like you don't need to remove any other part of the laptop because this is the battery. Okay, you can remove this battery by only it has a double tap under it actually. Okay, so while trying to remove it, just put a screwdriver or an opener like this one, like under this one here, like put under is, then you can pull this here. Okay, but don't like push like with power, otherwise you can damage the other parts of the laptop. So just try to feel the double tap and then remove this like this. Okay, then here is one ribbon for the USB area. Actually this ribbon connects this USB area to the motherboard is under this plastic. Okay, just remove this from here. Under this you can see the battery connector. Just first remove this one and then remove this battery cable, then you can take out the battery like this. Okay, I already bought new battery for this laptop, so I don't need to remove it now. Okay, you can just follow the replacement, like just remove this one and put the other one here and then put back the cable connector here in the motherboard. Okay, so that's it. This is only the thing you need to do. Just follow the steps, then you can easily remove it. And then after put back the cover again and then screw all the holes again so that it does not get open again, and you can use it. This is a new battery I just recently bought, so now making this video for you people. So hope this video will help. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and share with the people who needs to know about this, how to replace the battery of Gs70. Gs70 came in 6th generation and as well as in 4th generation. So basically both laptops are same, just the processor and the graphic card are different. So just follow the same rule, same tutorial for both 6th generation and 4th generation laptop. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.